Alright, we're at the marina here. About to do some deep sea fishing. Waiting for our boat to pull up. These guys out here waiting for their passengers to arrive. See, the sun just got up. Pompano boat ramp, Pompano, Florida, baby. Alright, here we are. Aboard Captain Tom's boat.
Yes, it's right here.
This is our full crew right here.
Right, that's the best spot.
Come on, there we're off. Multi-family apartment.
Well, we went to, what was the place called?
About a mile. It'll be bouncy going out.
Okay.
You guys don't want to be on the bow. It's bouncy.
Let's go to the back. It's gonna get bouncy. Even out of Pompano Inlet. Alright, we posted up out here. About a little over a mile offshore. I can see a rainbow out there. Yep, a rainbow out in the clouds.
So I don't think I've ever been this far out other than on a cruise ship. Yeah. The little boat stuff that we did.
Captain Tom is hooking up the kite right now. Do a little kite fishing. Try different surfaces.
At least we'll learn
Bottom fishing.
everybody who can handle it, who can't for next time.
It's recording. Make sure it's recording.
Hey Melissa,
Yeah?
ask Dad if he wants this one.
Dad, you want to go back there? By Brian, there's one back there.
Come on, Brian, get him. Somebody help you. Gotta sit, gotta sit. Before you lower the rod. Oh, I got you. All right? I'll pitch you the line with myself. I'm not yet. See, when I drop the rod, I'm lining before I lower the rod.
Stuck. It's a big one, D. D said it's stuck.
Feel the weight.
Shit. It's
It's a whale.
All right.
Get him, Brian.
Brian, if you don't bring it in, she's gonna say you can't go fishing anymore.
Baby, you could.
Hey, all those trips.
Baby, you could pause it until it gets closer.
Try how it's going. Should I stop it? Come on, Brian. Come on.
Oh, he's not. Brian's in front of the boat now?
Yeah.
His fish is swimming around?
Just trying to get away. He's going under the boat now.
Get him, D.
You'll catch another one.
That was a big one too, Brian. Both of you guys look like you got something big.
Better ones I've ever caught. Bobber was only about a foot away, too.
I know. Both of you guys bobbled coming.
Bobbers.
Oh, I see him in the water. I see him.
Tuna? Oh shit. That's yummy, yummy. Oh, nice tuna. Nice tuna, D. This is D's catch. Damon hooked up with a tuna. Yep, Captain Tom taking care of it right here. Pompano Beach, Florida. They're out here, bro.
Well, there's those little baby fishes. They knew what's coming home. They know they're gonna get some guts here in a minute.
Look at that good meat. That's just yummy, yummy, yummy. But it's yummy. Like a pro.
I'd be scared to do it that close to you.
That's a pro. You gotta check the meat. That's what. You gotta know how to do it. Get it down to the bone, to the spine. See, look at that, down to the spine. Papa. D, call the Melissa.
Palmer?
Yes, sir. Chocolate tuna. Again, Captain Dave out here, Pompano Beach, Florida. Cleaning it up. Yep. We're gonna catch, clean, and cook. Tarpon right here. Laid up the straps.
Hey, we're back in the dock.
Tarpon bigger than me. Look at that. Gone. Okie dokie. Look at this guy. Kingfish? We're gonna grill him tonight, Papa. Yeah, watch this. Watch this. That's a fish. You see, look at him. He's sizing
They
him
don't
up.
care for king too much.
He sized it. No. Yeah, they tore up the other tuna. They like tuna, like we do. Oh, he look at he
Wow,
took
he
his.
turned it down.
Oh, he's the big granddaddy took it.
Kingfish alone.
It's good stuff. It's okay.
We have a full kingfish at home. We never actually have that.
The way we do it,
Yeah,
Uncle Roy will do that.
yeah. Mom will do it too.
All right.
Oh, look at the size of that one. My God.
Woo!